Hey everyone, I just wanted to share a quick tutorial on how to use the Bokeh presets. I'm in Adobe Photoshop and I'll be opening up Adobe Camera Raw, and this is with the latest update too. So kind of help you if you are struggling with where to find like the new mask button, or if you haven't checked it out, then we can check it out together here. And these presets can also be used in Lightroom as well, but Lightroom Creative Cloud, the one that uses the XMP files. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up in Camera Raw. So go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and let's just go to our presets. And I'm going to go scroll down over to my bokeh, and here we go. So we've got just the different bokehs that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and pick this first one, so the Bokeh 003. Clean it up a little bit and take some of that bokeh off of her. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my little radial right here. And so you can actually get the brush within there. If you'll see there, you just click on that mask. I feel like it kind of actually makes it easier. So you just click on that and you've got the radial gradient, the brush 1 and brush 2. The brush 2 is where you're going to need to select in order to take away. So I'm just brushing off of her. There we go. So now we've just got it kind of surrounding her, and this is where you can change the settings of the brush. There's the size. Feathering means it kind of softens it around it. And we've got the flow. So if you reduce the flow, then obviously look, it's erasing a lot less. So it's kind of like the flow is the opacity. So that's how you make it your own. One more thing. So another thing you can do, I'm going to go over here. I actually want to, let's change it to black and white real quick. So I'm going to use the film black and white presets. And so the Bokeh works with those too. I hope you enjoy these presets. Thank you.